Your attention, please. This is an important notice. Due to the federal security regulations established by the Aviation Authority, and to avoid inconveniences and delays to passengers, we recommend you to avoid traveling with carry-on luggage. If you do so, please ensure that carry-on luggage is as small as possible. For your own safety, please follow the instructions of the airline you are flying. Thank you for your cooperation.
Atención. Por regulación oficial, la cantidad de líquidos, aerosoles y geles está restringida en su equipaje de mano. Infórmense en su compañía aérea, puntos de inspección o en los carteles expuestos en el aeropuerto. Gracias por su atención. Attention. Federal regulations restrict the quantity of liquids, aerosols, and gels